I am being referred also. I need to give a personal explanation also. Therefore, allow me a chance. Let me, the point is the other day, Sri K.C. Tyagi raised the issue that Sri Bhagat Singh being referred to as a terrorist in a book. And when K.C. Tyagi raised it, after along with him, many other members supported both sides. Both sides supported. I think almost the entire house was in unison that the term terrorist should not be attached to Sri Bhagat Singh. From the chair, because my limited understanding of a terrorist is that one who kills innocent people for ulterior motives. And I also felt that Bhagat Singh cannot be categorized in that group. Yeah, cannot be. And therefore, I also gave a direction to the government after seeing the sense of the house also that all references as terrorists to Bhagat Singh may be removed. That is all what is in it. Now, let me say. Now, please, sit down. You are not allowing me to speak. What is he doing? Let me complete. Now, therefore, on that pretext, the book cannot be banned. On that pretext. Only the term terrorist. Because in today's parlance, the terrorist has a connotation, different connotation, as one who is killing innocent people, who is working against. Therefore, today's parlance, terrorist connotation is not applicable to Sri Bhagat Singh. That is my humble opinion also, and the entire house agreed. Therefore, let me complete. Therefore, the term terrorist should be deleted from the book. That is all what we decided.
सर एक बात, आपने आदेश किया और सदन की जो भावना थी, सदन की भावना के आधार पे कि अगर किसी किताब में शहीद आजम भगत सिंह को आतंकवादी दिखाया गया है तो उसको हटाना चाहिए। अब हम या तो ये करते कि किताब में इकट्ठा करके उसके पेज फाड़ते कि वो जिस पेज में उस लेखक ने शहीद भगत सिंह को भगत सिंह को आतंकवादी बताया, उस पेज को बैठ के फाड़ा जाए या उस किताब को विड्रॉ किया जाए। माननीय सदस्य, अगर जिस लेखक ने इस तरह का काम किया है, वो शहीद आजम भगत सिंह को आतंकवादी कहेगा और हम उसे प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे, ये संभव नहीं।
Okay. No, please. Now, please. Now, the point is, no. Okay. If you want to have a discussion on this, you can give separate notice. Now, give separate. No. See, if you want to, no, please sit down. Let us not. Let us not derail the 0 hour. If you want to have a discussion on this, give notice. We can have a separate discussion, give notice. I have no problem. Mr. Minister, if they want to see, give a separate notice. If you want to have a discussion, give a separate notice. अरे आप नोटिस दे दो. Now 0 hour. I have to go for 0. Let me go for 0 hour.
Not only Shahid Bhagat Singh has been mentioned in that book, the name of Master Surya Sen has also been mentioned in that book. What is the ruling from the church in regard to Surya Sen?
Okay. Now, if you want to have a discussion on this, give a notice. I have no problem. Now, Sri K.C. Tyagi for 0 hour submission. Yeah, please. Now, please. No. You don't give a notice. Yeah. Now. Yeah. Now, see, K.C. Tyagi, you are not given. Point of order. Okay. Subramanian Swamy, point of order. Subramanian Swamy's point of order. No, I allowed you.
This
Point of order.
This book was.
No, give point of order.
I have a point of order. I am saying government money was paid as honorarium of 1 crore rupees to this author by name Bipin Chandra. And Bipin Chandra belongs to the Communist Party of India.
No. Reference to that name is expense. Reference to that name is expense. That name is expense. K.C. Tyagi, 0 hour. K.C. Tyagi, 0 hour. Sit down. K.C. Tyagi, 0 hour. Reference to all names expense. Now, K.C. Tyagi, 0 hour. K.C. Tyagi, 0 hour. Don't trouble. No, let me proceed. No, you made your point. No, I don't want to allow you again. I allowed you, that is enough. K.C. Tyagi. Sugandha Roy, it is not fair. No, you already said. I allowed you. You see so many. No, I cannot allow a second time. So many are standing there. What is Rule 238? What is 238? Okay. Give me. What is 238? What is 238? What is? Tell me.
My point
Now
of order
others
is,
keep quiet. No, I'm not.
my point of order, please.
What is Sugandha Roy?
My point of order.
Yes.
My point of order is. सुनिए. Hello. Sir, my point of order.
No.
My point of order.
What is your point of order?
My point of order is that we are satisfied with the ruling of the chair.
How can it be a point of order?
So far it relates to Sardar Bhagat Singh ji. But in addition to that, in the same book, the terrorist word has been issued against Master Surya Sen, and who was a great revolutionary.
Yeah.
And I want a similar ruling from the chair.
Yeah.
I want a similar ruling from the
The
chair.
same is applicable to all freedom fighters. All those who sacrifice for the freedom of this country. Same is applicable. Yeah. Now, Sri K.C. Tyagi. Why are you? Hey, 0 hour submission. Your 0 hour is there. You want to spoil it. Now, Lakshmiji, tell them. Now, see, Raja, you want to spoil your 0 hour. It is coming. You have given us 0 hour on a very important issue.
I know.
And then why do
No, the honorable member took the name of my party.
I expunged it?
No, he says because a historian belongs to my
No,
party.
I expunged it.
How can a member make such comments? It is atrocious. It is comment against my party and an historian of international reputation. So you must go.
Raja,
to speak in parliament.
I have already expunged it. I have already expunged the name. By the what is Naresh Agarwal?
चेयरमैन साहब, आपने रूलिंग दी उन पाठ्यक्रमों को हटाने के लिए, लेकिन जो लेखक थे जिन्होंने सरदार भगत सिंह जी को जिन्होंने देशद्रोही लिखा, उन पे क्या एक्शन हुआ? उन पे भी एक्शन करने की कोई रूलिंग चेयर देगी?
Okay.
उन पे भी कोई रूलिंग देगी?
I will examine it. I will examine it. एग्जामिन करना पड़ेगा. बिना एग्जामिन करके कैसे रूलिंग देगा? आपने एक इश्यू अभी रेज कर दिया, मेरे को रूलिंग देने के लिए एग्जामिन करना पड़ेगा. पढ़ना है. मैं बड़ा विद्वान नहीं है.
आपने जब
वो समझिए
वो किताब
मैं तो बड़ा विद्वान नहीं है.
नहीं,
ऑर्डिनरी मैन है. पढ़ना पड़ेगा. आप बैठिए.
पूरा विश्वास है.
विश्वास
लेकिन
है.
मैं चाहूंगा कि
मेरे को पढ़ने दो.
जिन लेखकों ने ये किया है उन लेखकों के खिलाफ भी कार्रवाई हो और उसको
हम देखेगा. मैं एग्जामिन करूंगा. Now, Sri K.C. Tyagi, अरे प्लीज Nobody else. K.C. Tyagi. Sri K.C. Tyagi, nothing else will go on record. K.C. Tyagi, मैं एग्जामिन करूंगा बैठो. K.C. Tyagi.
Sir, please.
Nothing else will go on record.
Sir.
K.C. Tyagi, 0 hour. I don't want the 0 hour to be derailed. Please cooperate. There are 12 notices. I want, see, 0 hour are important issue raised by MP. I have seen very important issues in this. Please allow. K.C. Tyagi.
Sir.
K.C. Tyagi, 0 hour.
बैठ जाइए.
K.C. Tyagi, 0 hour.
मैं आपको बोलने नहीं दूंगा फिर. जब मैं बोलूंगा.
Nothing else.
कोई बात है. मैं नहीं बोलने दूंगा आपको. हम सीधे टांग लगाते हैं. बेकार की बात. मैं करूंगा, बैठ जाइए.